Hello, my name is Junshuo Chen. I'm an international student in USA. It is crucial for me to learn how to live by myself. Therefore, cooking is a necessary skill for me. My roommates and I often cook in our apartment. I come from China. As we know, the Chinese food is hard to learn. At first, I searched online to find the guide to teach me how to cook Chinese food. We need to prepare lots of sauce and kitchenwares. It is a really complex job. However, if you did more practice, it would be easier for you. So I just keep practicing. Since I learned to cook about 2 years, I have cooked lots of meals. I have already mastered all of steps. So right now, cooking is one of my best skills. The following picture is the food what I did. It looks very delicious. It is the biggest success what I get in recent years.